Create entire blog articles within seconds using Narrato's AI long blog article generator. This video will show you how. To find the blog writing templates, go to the AI Writer tab on the Content task page and click on the blog category. Open the long blog article template to create blog posts up to 3,000 words. You can generate blog articles from a topic or a keyword. Add your topic or keyword, and click Next. The AI tool will first suggest an outline for your blog article, along with target keywords and length. You can modify all of these suggestions, including adding more keywords, changing the length and tone, and editing the headings and subheadings. You can also add links on the keywords specified in this outline. Select the keyword from the drop-down list and enter the link you want to add. Then click on Generate. Your blog article will be generated within seconds, complete with the keywords and links you added, SEO meta title and description, a social post, and image and video recommendations too. You can also generate a long blog article from an SEO brief. For this, first generate an SEO brief. Simply enter your topic and click Generate. It takes a few seconds for the brief to be ready. Once generated, click on the edit icon to enhance and clean up the brief. Ensure you have all the right keywords, questions, and relevant high-quality reference links. Optimizing the SEO brief is essential to get the best output from the AI writer. Now, click on the Generate Content with AI button on the SEO brief. You will have two options here. The long blog article option, similar to the AI template, will generate the article based on the topic and keywords in the brief. The second option allows you to provide URLs or documents as references for the AI writer. Pick the long blog article from URLs or documents option. Then, choose if you want to use the questions from the brief and click Continue. Next, choose whether you want to generate the article from reference URLs or from documents. You also have the option to pick reference URLs from the brief or to provide your own. Select the references that the AI can use to craft the content, and click on Generate Outline. Edit and improve the outline to align with your objectives. Then generate the article. Your SEO blog article will be ready in a few minutes, complete with images, videos, SEO metadata, and a perfect SEO score. That's how quick and easy it is to create blog articles from scratch on Narrato. Try Narrato's AI long blog article generator today.